Good morning, fellow gardeners. Well, we're not in the garden, you can see again this morning. Instead, we're in Judy's kitchen, and we're going to show you an easy way to make you a wonderful salad that you can eat. This is called a Three Sister salad. I got this recipe from the Native Americans, and what they do, they use white corn and black beans and yellow squash. And they make a mound, you know, in the garden, and they plant the corn in the middle of it, and they plant the black beans there and the yellow squash. The corn stalk grows up to make the corn, and the black beans, they'll climb up that, they're a climbing bean, and they'll climb up that corn stalk and make the beans, and the squash sits at the bottom and makes the squash. So that's the reason they call it the Three Sisters, because they grow it together. Well, we're going to make you a Three Sister salad today. But we're going to add a little, we're going to doctor it up a little further than what they do to make it more colorful and tasty. And anyway, we're going to get started. So Judy's going to help me today, and we appreciate her letting us use her kitchen to do this video. So Judy, if you'll start our salad, we'll pick our yellow squash in it first.
First thing we do is putting in our yellow squash into our bowl. Of course, we're making a small salad this time. We usually make a lot larger than this for company and for when we take it.
And then we'll put our black beans in.
Then we have the black beans. Add them. Ooh, lots of black beans in this little salad.
And then we're supposed to use white corn, but we've got yellow corn this morning, so y'all forgive us for that. But the original was the white corn. But a lot of time we put the yellow and the white corn in both. And you know, just practice and put a lot of different things in it. That's the Three Sisters now: the corn, the black beans, and the squash. And you mix that up. And originally we used Zesty Italian dressing, and it's wonderful that way. Well, we've been doing that lately, putting the Zesty Italian. So this time we're going to change up, and we're going to use some sweet Vadalia onion dressing on it, because it's a tasty salad dressing too. So we're going to use the sweet onion on it. So that's what it looks like right there. You see how it's kind of yellow? Well, it should be white and black and or brown, you know, and then the yellow, and that makes you a pretty good little salad. But I'm going to show you how we're going to color it up a little bit. We call this the Three Sisters and the Three Brothers, because we're going to add some peppers, or some green and red bell peppers. And if you want to make it a little hot, you can put some jalapeno peppers in it. Just practice with this and make it like you want it. And then we're going to put some sweet onion in it, some onions. And you see how much colorful is coming up now? And just play around and make you what you want. And then we've got some black olives we chopped up a little bit.
Stir me too fast, please.
Okay. I'm working her too fast. Okay. Look how pretty that's getting to be. That makes anybody want to eat that, don't they? And
question: Is there a certain recipe or amount that you add, or
we just put a can of black beans, a can of corn, and a can of and a couple of yellow squash. We even add zucchini squash in a couple of them. There's no certain recipe you have to follow. Just put you a couple of each on the squash, the yellow squash and the zucchini.
I used about 2.5 to 3 cups of the yellow squash.
And then you just make it for your own taste. I mean, you just play with it, and you can't make it wrong. I mean, unless you was to put, you know, 3 cans of black beans and 1 can of corn or something. But just kind of use equal parts of everything, and then you can see, look how pretty it is. And you can even add, if you want to be creative, you can even add these garbanzo beans in them, if you like garbanzo beans. And just, you can put kidney beans in it. It doesn't make any difference. There's no law says you can't put anything in it. And then you add your salad dressing.
Ready for the salad dressing. This is a sweet Vadalia onion.
And she'll use about half a bottle of it in there, and you can always come back and add some more after a day. And let me tell you, it's better to mix this up and set it in the refrigerator and let it set for 24 hours or 36 hours, it'll have a lot better flavor to it. All this, these vegetables will absorb the dressing, and it will be a lot more tasty. But you can see, look how pretty that is. You can serve that at any luncheon you want to go to, and people will eat it up. They love it. And we just wanted to bring this little simple recipe to you. People are busy and don't have time to do a lot of cooking in the hot summertime, and it just makes a good cool salad that you can eat along with whatever else you're having for dinner. So,
Now,
you got a question?
yes, sir. I noticed that you did not add any kind of meat
No.
in this.
You could, I guess. I mean, we don't. I mean, since we're vegetarians, we don't use any kind of meat. You could grill some of those crumbles if you're a vegetarian. You could grill some crumbles put out by Morning Star. You could grill those. You could mix it in with it if you want it to look like a meat dish. Or those that are eating meat, they could grill some hamburger meat and put in with it. Or chicken, they could grill some chicken and chop it up in it and make them any kind of salad they want. I mean, and even those that are bacon eaters, you could fry you some bacon and chop it up in it. We're not saying anything like that, but we're doing a vegetarian dish today.
Yeah.
But you can be creative and add anything you want to this. There's nothing you can't add that I don't know that belongs in vegetable or the line that would make it good. But anyway, yeah, thanks for asking that, Jack. Okay, folks, let's get a little bowl here and let Judy get a little bit out. We don't want to eat out of the bowl, so get that right there, Judy, and give us a taste test and tell us what you think of it.
I don't want to eat off my spoon.
Okay, get you another spoon in and taste of it, and then we'll cut this off. And folks, I'm gonna tell you something. We really appreciate you watching our videos and listening to the ads, because that helps us with our scholarship fund. And a lot of people are commenting they are watching the videos, and we appreciate that very much. What do you think of it? Can I have a little taste of it? I know you don't like to talk. It's too good for me to eat. Okay. Well, I'll find something else to eat. Okay.
The Vadalia onion sets it off. It's really good.
All right.
Folks, that'll make anybody happy, I promise you. See how simple that was? If you like this video, ring the bell, punch the button, and subscribe. And guess what? We'll come back and make you another video. Hello. Bye.
Thank you.